The following is a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative.
Folks in Anadarko, you might have a tornado either in town or moving into town right now. You folks in Anadarko. So you folks in Anadarko, you need to be in your safe spot if you're not already right now. If you live in Anadarko, if you live east of Anadarko, if you live northeast of Anadarko, you need to be in your safe spot. Tornado more than likely on the ground. Velocity says it. Val Castor's right there. He's had some debris in the air with the leaves. Tornado is on the ground. We're going to call it tornado now on the ground. It's going to be in, on, and just basically on top of Anadarko.
Does Val have power flashes? Is that what he said?
Does he have power flashes? Yeah, go ahead, Val. Give me an update. Go ahead.
Western Farmers Electric Cooperative suffered damage at the headquarters complex in Anadarko Sunday evening, October 10, 2021. A severe thunderstorm complex that not only packed high winds and heavy rain, but also produced 11 tornadoes across the state was responsible. This section of roof from the Old North warehouse was ripped off by the wind and landed on the right-of-way department's Ford Explorer. The force of the impact slid the vehicle sideways, causing the tire to separate from the rim. Crews were dispatched Sunday evening. WFEC's heaviest damage was in Caddo and Canadian counties, including the Chickasha line north of the plant. The Blue Canyon to Ouachita Switch line, just north of Highway 19 outside of Apache in far southwest Caddo County, was left with a dangling H-frame structure. The storm affected 24 structures in all serving WFEC substations and members. Service was restored to most substations as of Monday morning, October 11th. So far, October 2021 has been more active with tornadoes than May of 2021, which is historically the highest month of tornado activity in Oklahoma. Cooling Tower Number 1, utilized for the steam units, received damage to the inlet louvers. The storm's wind coming from the west pushed the fan stacks against the fan blades while they were running. All 6 drive shafts that connect the motor and gearbox sustained catastrophic damage.